Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to paraphrase questions in Ielts, writing using Quillbot. Paraphrasing is an important skill for Ielts writing, and Quillbot is one of the best tools to help you do it effectively. To start, copy the question you want to paraphrase. Open Quillbot and paste the text into the input box. Select the paraphrase option and Quillbot will provide a rewritten version with the same meaning but different wording. Quillbot is especially helpful because it suggests synonyms, rephrases sentences, and maintains the clarity of the original idea. You can choose from different writing modes like standard, formal, or creative, depending on your preference. After Quillbot processes your text, review the output to ensure it sounds natural and fits the context of your essay. If you want more flexibility, the paid version of Quillbot allows you to process longer texts and access additional features. However, even the free version is great for shorter sentences or phrases. Using Quillbot regularly can improve your ability to paraphrase effectively, saving you time and boosting your confidence in Ielts writing. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.